Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we had a look on the meaning of searching and binary search. For binary search algorithm, we need sorted array. If the data is sorted, we can apply binary search for better and faster result. There may be two cases. One is successful binary search and another one is unsuccessful binary search. In previous video, I have analyzed successful binary search, and today I am going to analyze unsuccessful binary search. The same example I have taken here to analyze unsuccessful binary search, but target value will be different here. Since I am analyzing for unsuccessful binary search, I will take target value as 20, which is not present in the given list of elements. What is the process of binary search? Testing the data element at the middle of the list. It eliminates half of the list in every iteration. Since it starts testing the middle of the list, we have to find out the mid of the list. To find the mid of the list, we need three variables. One is to identify the beginning of the list, one is to identify the end of the list, and one is to identify mid of the list. To identify the beginning of the list, I will take variable as first. And to identify end of the list, I will take variable as last. And we have to find the middle of the given list. So, for that I will take mid, and we have to find out this value. How we can find the mid value? We know that to find the mid value, we can calculate first plus last divided by 2. So, what is the first here? First is array of 1. What is the last? Last is array of 12. Array of 1 plus array of 12 divided by 2. That is 1 plus 12 divided by 2 equals to 13 by 2 will be 6. That is array of 6. So this is the mid value of the given list. This is the mid value of the list. We have to compare target with the middle value. So what is the target here? Target is 20. Compare target value with the middle value. Compare target value with the middle value. Target is 20 and middle value is 25. Here 20 target is lesser than middle value. It means target is present in the first half of the list, not in the second half of the list. So we can eliminate the larger part of the list. That is from array of 6 to array of 12. So I will eliminate this half of the list. I have eliminated the half of the list. Now again we have to find out the mid of the remaining list, and we have to compare target value with the middle value, and we have to eliminate half of the list until we find the target value. Here last is eliminated, and this is the our new last of list. So what I have to do here? I have to assign last equals to mid minus 1. That is 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5, array of 5. A of 5 is now last of the list. Now again calculate the mid value of the new mid value of the list. Mid equals to array of 1 plus array of 5 divided by 2. That is array of 3. This is the new mid of the list. And 17 is the new middle value of the list. Now compare target value with the middle value. What is the target value? Target value is 20. Middle value is 17. Here target value is greater than middle value. It means target value is present in greater part, not in lesser part. We have to eliminate the list up to array of 1 to array of 3. From array of 1 to array of 3. I will eliminate this part. Now only 2 elements left in the list. First is eliminated, so this will become our first in remaining list. So to assign first, I will assign first equals to mid plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Array of 4. First equals to mid plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Array of 4. This will become our new first variable of the list. Now find out the mid value of list. This is the first and this is the last. First is A of 4, last is A of 5. 4 plus 5 divided by 2. That is 4. Array of 4. This is the now mid value of our list. Now compare target value with the middle value. Target is 20. Middle value is 18. Here target is greater than middle value. So eliminate lesser part. From where? A of 4. From first to mid. That is I have eliminated this. Now only one value remains here. That is array of 5. One element is remain. Now assign first equals to mid plus 1. First equals to mid plus 1. That is 4 plus 1 is 5. Array of 5. Array of 5. This becomes first of the list. Now find out the middle of the list. First is 5. Last is 5 divided by 2. That is 10 by 2 is 5. Array of 5. This is the mid value of the list now. Mid of list. Now compare target value with the middle value. Target value is 20. Middle value is 22. 20 is less than 22. It means target value is not present in the list. The value we are looking for is not in the given list. So this is unsuccessful binary search.
Thank you.